Okay, everybody, let's take a look at how to record the video through Google Slides. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up your presentation and you're going to come over here to the top right into this record button up here. Okay, and once you click on it, it's going to give you this, do you want to do a slide recording? You hit record new video. Now, if you might have like recorded a video and saved it, and then you're like, oh, I got to redo it or something, it'll say like, you've already done this. Do you want to do another one? Say, yes, that's fine. You want to record a new video. It's going to pull up to this window right here. Now, at some point, you might get a, do you want to allow your camera to be used, allow your microphone to be used, right? Like you might get those kinds of notes, and that's fine. Just hit allow because that allows it to work. When you're ready to go, you can preview it by clicking through your arrows. You'll also be able to use those arrows during the recording. That'll get you through your slides. And you're just going to hit start record. Once you do that, it's going to give you this, like allow it to see tabs. Again, you hit allow. Once you do that, you're going to get a countdown, 3, 2, 1, and off the recording will go. Now, you'll get a running timer down here. You'll be able to see how far along you go. And when you're done, you're just going to click that stop button. Up here in the top right corner, you're going to get this option to save to drive or to re-record. So if you're like, I don't like what I did, you can hit re-record. It's going to start you over. Or you can save to your drive. That will save it to your Google Drive, and then that's how you will be able to submit your final draft.